WD-40 Specialist Penetrant quickly penetrates rusted and corroded parts. It's fast-acting, highly water-resistant, and works in temperatures from -20 degrees C to +90 degrees C. The low surface tension allows for fast capillary action, delivering lubrication where it's needed, rapidly releasing stuck parts. It has a variety of applications, such as loosening seized fixings and disassembling rusted components. With the smart straw engaged, product can be targeted to more precise areas such as threads, bearings and fittings. WD-40 Specialist Penetrant is ideal for any trade setting and can be used on metals, alloys, rubbers and plastics. It limits downtime, helping you complete tasks quicker, easier and with less hassle. Job done.